how to flush a tankless water heater. And you can do this both for Navien or Renai or any water heater. It's got these valve on it. So what you want to do is cut the power off, unplug the plug, turn the water off, open this up. So you need one of these pumps. I'm actually selling the kits. That's the kit right there. You hook a hose up to the pump, and it goes to in the cold, goes through the tankless, hook up another hose, come out to hot, same thing, shut the water off, hot water, it comes out and into the bucket and it circulates. That's how you flush a tankless water heater. You flush it for 45 minutes.